Welcome to AI Toolkit Online. And then in this video, we'll explore the AI chat feature. That will be your intelligent assistant for instant answers, creative brainstorming, and enhanced productivity. So to get started, log into your dashboard and select the AI chat feature. This tool is designed to help you solve problems, generate ideas, or answer questions in real time with your experts listed here. As you can see, there's a variety of experts in a variety of different functions and expertise. You can even create your own AI chat, which I'll show how to do a little bit later. But let's suppose we select for this sake of this tutorial, we'll select nutritionist. Simply type your question or prompt in the chat box, whether it's business advice, creative ideas, or technical solutions. The AI is here to assist you. So I am going to type in, I'm trying to lose weight but struggle with evening cravings. Can you suggest healthy, low calorie snacks that are satisfying and easy to prepare? In seconds, you'll receive thoughtful and actionable responses tailored to your request. Now, the AI adapts to your needs, providing relevant and concise information. So engage in a conversation to refine your answers. You can keep asking and asking questions and responding to their questions. So ask follow-up questions. You can explore deeper insights or clarify details seamlessly. So save your chat history to the Documents folder for future reference, or export the results for use to your projects or reports. So the AI chat feature is your versatile companion for smarter, faster problem solving. So log in today and see how AI Toolkit Online can transform the way you work.